Kurt Glazier, N7QJM. On today's sessions, we're talking about there's a certain protocol when you make a contact on the ham radio. Typically what you'll do is once you make contact, you identify who you are, who they are with call letters and call signs, and then from there you establish what the signal strength are. And for radio, for speaking, basically it's just a readability and the signal strength. And there is actually a meter here on the rig. I'll see if I can zoom in real quick to the meter. Yeah, there it is. The meter is right here. That's where the meter is, and it tells you actually what the signal strength is on the unit itself. So anyway, that's the piece right there. We're going to pick up a conversation, just a real quick conversation of somebody answering me back on my CQ. So we actually have somebody now. WA7OB, this is Nancy 7, Quebec, Juliet, Mexico. Fine business. Thanks for coming back to my call. You are about 10:09 into Redmond, Washington. My location is Redmond, Washington, and my handle or name is Kurt Kilo United Romeo Tango. Back to you. Give me your call one more time for the log. Over.
Yeah, so your call again is Whiskey America 7, Oscar Bravo.
That's his call. That's his call. Tom.
Oscar Mary, Tom. And I am in Kirkland, Washington.
He's right by us here. So there's how you start a QSO, and you just start talking back and forth. The thing that they usually identify, and you can hear him back here a little bit in here, he is identifying himself, where he's located, what the signal strength is, and then usually talk about what type of gear that we run in the shack itself. So we're having a little conversation with Tom.